Patricia Eshelman is a high school living environment teacher at Bolivar Richburg Central School in Bolivar, New York. She is an innovative, dedicated educator who focuses on food, health, and lifestyle, as well as culture, society, economy, and geography as year-long agricultural literacy themes. Eshelman School is located in an economically disadvantaged area in the Adirondack region of Allegheny County, where issues with financial instability, poor nutrition, and obesity are all above the national average. Though population is sparse and land is plentiful, Eshelman found that her students seemed unaware of local agricultural potential. So she determined to introduce her classes to people in the community involved in agricultural careers. This idea inspired Farmers Fridays, when a wide range of agricultural professionals come to share their stories about how they found purpose and meaning through working with the land. They represent vegetable farmers, farm and feed store business owners, Cornell University Cooperative Extension educators, beef farmers, produce brokers, agricultural engineers, maple producers, and Farm Bureau members. These invited guest speakers of all ages and backgrounds often bring a live farm animal or a hands-on activity to share in the classroom. Eshelman's goal is to give students a vital and feasible option to someday pursue agricultural career paths. She also requires her students to participate in a garden plot owned by the school called Wolverine Environmental Education, WE Center. Through the WE Center, students are offered seasonal jobs that give experience and provide financial incentive through direct employment or through working for local agricultural businesses. The WE Center hires students to maintain the garden, care for the chickens, and run the farm store when school is not in regular session. They gain work experience, develop initiative, and learn valuable responsibility. Another of Eshelman's passions is good food, by which she means healthy, fresh, and minimally processed food. Nutrition is an often discussed topic in her classes, as conversations touch on proteins, vitamins, and seasonal vegetables, and sources of sugar for energy. And since nutrition goes hand in glove with an active lifestyle, gardening work for her students is part of her arsenal to counteract unhealthy sedentary habits. Pulling weeds, picking up rocks, and shoveling soil are routine garden work, and students take pride in finishing these physical chores. They're also involved in the planting and planning of WE Center plots. A garden is an ever-changing ecosystem that students further explore through online websites and seed catalogs. This hands-on work and research result in an increase of agricultural vocabulary and knowledge. And harvest time brings delightful sessions of picking and eating fruits and vegetables right off the vine. From the garden's bounty, Eshelman and her students prepare food during class. Kale chips, garden fresh salsa, pickles, and cranberry relish are big hits. The entire school benefits from its maple syrup production and hosts a pancake day with homemade syrup. For Eshelman, teaching students through the lens of agricultural literacy is a way to their hearts, minds, and bodies. It is a powerful grounding force and a multifaceted tool for future fulfillment. Patricia Eshelman, 2021 National Excellence in Teaching About Agriculture Award recipient.